In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix ClickUp that is not assigning tasks correctly. So when tasks won't assign, open the task and check the assignees field, which are here. This is a sample task and this one is the button for assigning a person. For example, is me. Click this and then click this person. And now I have assigned myself as the person for this task. So make sure that the user is part of this workspace. And if they are not part of this workspace, you can invite them by going to your inboxes and then click the invite people for a available collaboration. So let's head back to our task and then tap on the assignee. You will see all the available persons that you can add to a task here. So if they are not added here, just go back again to the inboxes and then invite them for a collaboration with your workspace. In that way, you can assign these people that are not appearing on your task assignees. And that's it for our video today, and thank you for listening.